Dear students, in this video I am going to explain mass density and optical density. About mass density, the mass density of an object is defined as its mass per unit volume. This parameter can be expressed using several different units including kilograms per meter cubed. Mathematically, mass density is expressed using the following formula: rho is equal to m by v, where rho is equal to mass density and m is equal to mass of the fluid or solid, v is equal to the volume of this fluid or solid. Kerosene floats on water. Why kerosene floats on water? Kerosene mass density is lower than water, so kerosene floats on water. When we see the numbers, kerosene mass density is 0.81 gram per centimeter cube. Water mass density is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So you can observe kerosene mass density is lower than water mass density. What is optical density? The optical density is a property of transparent material that measures the speed of the light through the material. The extent which optically dense medium bends transmitted light rays towards or away from the normal is called optical density. Now let us understand the phenomena of optical density and its effect on the light passing via medium by comparing two media. Consider two mediums, kerosene and water. When beam of light passes from kerosene to water, the speed of the light increases in water. Therefore, the light bends away from the normal. Now have a look at this picture. Here, light traveling from kerosene to water. At interface, light bends away from the normal because light speed increases in water than kerosene. Here, because at interface the object appears like bends at interface because of refraction of light. So it tells us that kerosene is optically denser than water, which means the velocity of light in kerosene is less than the velocity of light in water. Note, speed of the light and optically density are inversely proportional to each other. That means in optically denser medium, speed of the light is very low. Optical density depends on refractive index. Kerosene refractive index is 1.39 and refractive index of water is 1.333. So kerosene optical density is higher than the water. Conclusion: although kerosene's mass density is lower than water, it floats on water, we know that, but its optical density is higher than water. Thank you.